Near Bembridge town, in a county town, one morning last July, down a boring ring came a sweet Colleen, for the smile just passed me by. She looked so sweet from her to her feet, from a sheen of her nut brown hair. Such a coaxing girl, sure I shook myself, for to see I was really there. From Bungee Bay